नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I have told to you first that grammar play a great role in the English writing. If your grammar is strong, through this way your writing will be strong and your speaking will be strong, and through this way you will play a great role in the development of the world, because English is an international language and we use English everywhere in the world for the purpose of admission and for the purpose of other business activity. So we have first discussed pronoun. Pronoun is a word which are used instead of a noun, which replaces the noun. They are those words. Pronoun has so many types. We have already discussed subjective pronoun and objective pronoun. But today we want to discuss possessive pronoun and reflexive pronoun. Now come to the word and analyze the situation where these two pronouns types are used. First we come to person. First person, singular. Second person, person singular. Third person, person singular. Male. Third person, singular. Female. Third person, singular. Thing. First person plural, second person plural. Third person plural. Now you are clear that person are three types. First person singular, first person, second person singular, third person singular male, third person singular female, third person singular thing. First person plural, second person plural, third person plural. Already we have discussed these things in the subjective case. Their first person singular is I, second person singular as you, and third person singular male as he, and third person singular female as she, and third person singular thing, there we use the it. First person plural, there we use the we, and second person plural we use the you, and third person plural we use they. Now you are clear. In subjective case we have studied these things, but here in possessive pronoun their first person singular as mine, second person singular as yours, third person singular male as has, third person singular thing, third person singular female her, hers, and third person singular thing itself. First person plural, there we use ours. Second person plural, there is yours. Third person plural, there are use there. Theirs. So now you are clear. There mine come, yours come, has come, has come, itself come, our come, yours come, and theirs come. So possessive pronoun is a that pronoun which show the ownership of something. So it is necessary for you when these items possessive pronoun come, there will be no apostrophe, s will be used. And possessive pronoun show the ownership in the position of something, some noun, or some commodity. Now we come to reflexive pronoun. And reflexive pronoun, there myself come, there yourself come, there himself come, and there herself come, and there itself, they are not, their its come, but their itself come. They are ours, they are our selves come, and they are yourselves come, and they are themselves come. So now you are clear that If they are singular, automatically they are only self will use. But if they are plural, then their cellars are used. So, myself, reflexive pronoun are those pronouns where they, according to subject, they are used. And subject, what type of pronoun are present? So, according to these pronoun, there we apply these reflexive pronoun. For example, I cut my hair myself. I cut my hair myself. You cut your hair, yourself. He cuts his hair himself. She cuts hers hair herself. And we cut our hair ourselves. And you cut yours hair yourselves. And they cut their hair themselves. So now you are clear that where myself is used, where yourself is used, where himself is used, where herself is used, and where itself, ourselves, yourself, themselves are used. So, according to subject, the reflexive pronoun are used. The reflexive pronoun come on the object place, and they have verb as well as they have subject. But when you use these things, this is a reflexive pronoun, so they according to subject, your case, they are used. There in sentence are three parts. One is the subject, second is the verb, and third is the object. So these myself, yourself, himself, herself, itself, ourselves, yourself, themselves used instead of an object place according to subject in the sentence. So it was a short video I have prepared, and I want to transfer the knowledge to dear students, because our students of universities are very weak in English. If they improve their English through this way, they will get more marks, and very soon they will write the publication and they will apply to foreign scholarship very easily. So, dear student, please subscribe my channel and also share this video to other students, because through this way the other student will also get the knowledge and they will use in day-to-day life, and through this way the country will be developed. Wassalam, dear student, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.